Myra is playing with a kitty toy. Yeah.
How are your hands not frozen? It's pretty cold.
Ah.
We were bundled warm.
Yeah.
We're definitely a brisk.
Ah. Why is he playing with the kitty toy? Ooh.
So it looks like this. The most interesting thing that sticks out in my mind was the Ben Franklin that was made out
Oh, go get it.
which I guess he doesn't typically do as part of his tour, but we had to go across the street and see it close up because it was amazing.
Boo. Boo.
$1.8 million.
1.8 million.
Mixed with the bronze.
How many feet?
That one I'm not sure. I'm not sure on that.
Hi. Hi.
Come on. After the walking tour, we went to see Liberty Bell.
Now this is the world famous Liberty.
There it is, guys.
Was there some water in there? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't know that.
I told them last night when I was putting this.
Was there water in there?
So hard.
Did you pour water on your face? Do you want to do it again?
This bell rung almost every single day. Well, it's hard to see. You'll see some construction on it.
You just want to touch it sort of to see, like, because they say it weighs like gazillions of pounds.
You've got to
Boo! Boo!
all of us together to not get that bell.
Why did it ring?
Myra. Boo! Boo! We're watching you, Penguin.
We're happy to see it. I don't know that they
We're watching you. We're watching you.
what it stands for and what it means and all of that.
Myra,
We're all infatuated about that.
look at this. Look at that. You gonna grab it?
Me being the next president. We'll leave that to Sarah.
Boo!
Oh, my name's Kate.
Boo!
Hi, your hands are bound. We were in Philadelphia exploring the historic district. We had just finished at the Liberty Bell. Next was the National
Boo.
Constitution Center.
Poo! Poo poo poo!
It's a whole bunch of interactive buttons they can push and learn about different people who changed laws.
What's you doing? What's you doing?
All the way to the Supreme Court. Alright, one more. There was the voting place where they could pretend that they were voting.
You can grab that?
Vote somebody, push somebody's name. George Washington, what a good choice. George Washington.
I promise, it's clean. It's a toy one.
Well, the president.
Hi! Aren't you silly? Look at you, you're silly. Look at you, you're silly. Amira, you're silly. Boo! Ha! Boo! 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 Are you gonna get the camera? I hope not.
That was really well done, actually.
Oh well. And that's Amira exploring, exploring, exploring.
have it on the front of my phone for a while. Me being the next president.
That's what she looks like when she explores and explores. Myra. Myra. Baby girl. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye.